Okay, so I'm gonna start with the base. I just use the NYX base from the pot, and I'm just gently dabbing on the eyelids, smoothing it out. Then I'm using the liquid liner, it's NYX as well, and just starting from the inner corner, working my way through the outer corner of the eye. I'm just trying to get that smooth texture in that line. It's kind of hard to grip with the liquid liner. Just in like a really unique process, I guess you could say. But you can also use a pencil. I would prefer a pencil. Or you can use eyeshadow as well. Like a matte shadow would work best. For like a subtle line. And the same thing is done on the other eye, just working from the inner corner through the outer corner, just getting that smooth line in. I'm just gonna go back and just connect from the outer corner. And I'm using like gentle strokes and then just connecting it, just to make sure I have a smooth straight line. Then I'm using the shadow palette, Kylie Jenner's shadow palette. And I actually use 6 colors on this palette. I love the palette. It was from last year actually. It's her birthday bash. The Sipping Pretty Kylie Jenner palette. So I use the Sangria on the upper eyelid and just smoothing it out. And then I just work my way in the bottom, right below the dark line that I just drew in for the cut crease. The next one I used this one was Sangria actually. Okay, this one's Sex on the Beach. So I'm just smoothing that out, and then I just used this jungle juice right over the black line, just to give a little, like a tint of color, like a reddish color, like a reddish pinkish tone. And just smooth that out in the other eye as well. And that's the finished look for that. And I'm just taking my brush, and it's a shadow brush. It's one of my favorite brushes. The bristles are so soft, but I'm just running it across and just blending it in. And I'm gonna say one of the best tricks for a good look, a creation, is the blending trick. If you've mastered that, then you're set, good to go. And then I used the Martino Mama on the bottom. So on the bottom lids I used the Martino Mama, just smoothing it through, blending it from the outer inner, and just going all the way through till you get that soft look. And that's the look so far. And I'm taking the liner and just started with the inner, like from the center of above the lash line, and then drew the wing and just worked my way through. Everybody has her different types or styles. I sometimes change mine. I don't have a steady style, like a precise. Just whatever works best, or the look that you're trying to create. That's the finished look for that. And then I took some of the Sex on the Beach and did the outer, like right under the waterline, and just ran it through, trying to smooth it out using a concealer brush. And that's the finished look for that. And then add a little mascara touch. I use my Lane from Hypnose, one of my favorite mascaras when I was out of it, shopping time. And I did the lower lashes as well to give it a little touch. Just like light strokes, nothing too heavy. So you guys, if you enjoyed my video, you can like, comment, and share, and I appreciate you supporting me in advance. And if you already are, thank you